Falcon is the racing team here at the Nordschleife, founded 20 years ago. Since then, we are quite successful here at the Nürburgring. One of the most demanding tracks in the world, actually. We won the 24-hour race twice and have over 300 class wins.
This year I've been extremely excited because we started driving our new car, the 992 GT3 Cup. And in addition, I was even more excited to welcome Shining 3D as one of our technical partners.
The motorsport environment is always seeking for top-notch technologies, and you really have to fight hard in order to make a difference to all the other teams.
Precision is a valuable key in racing and also in our day-to-day work. Without precision, we can perform on the highest level, and we can, for example, secure podiums or safety for our customers and our drivers.
The role Shining is playing in our daily operations has a tremendous impact. Here at the Nordschleife, the proving ground for all the different OEMs, super demanding track, super close competition, every millimeter counts. And to compete against other racing teams, it's quite challenging to be ahead, to be better. And Shining helps us to improve our processes, to improve our quality, to analyze wear patterns. And that actually is also key to success, that we win races.
With the 3D scanning, 3D printing, we can develop our own solutions for our problems. We are using the FreeScan Trak Nova and using it for chassis, crash structure, insights, or for example for documentation on used surfaces like the splitter of the car.
During the 24 hours of Nürburgring, our car has suffered a crash and the damage was quite severe, but barely not severe enough to have to buy a completely new car. So we were able to rebuild the car, but it's important to validate that the repair was done correctly and executed right, because after this we will be driving it again to the absolute limit on the world's most demanding racetrack. Therefore, we used the Shining 3D scanner to verify whether the repairs have been executed correctly, so we can now proceed with the rest of our racing season.
The possibilities we have with Shining 3D are far beyond racing. So when it comes to quality inspection up to re-engineering, Shining 3D helps us to improve our daily operations.
New opportunities would be, for example, scanning and then CFD simulating like the splitter from the car, because a wind channel would be too expensive, so we can do it in the simulation after we scanned the part from the car and save money, time.
And Shining really help us to be very, very precise when it comes to the setup of the vehicle, where even, let's say, a little difference in the wing makes a difference here at the Nordschleife. I actually see the 3D scanning applications as almost required in our operations, and that's why we are super proud of having Shining 3D as a partner. We have now cutting-edge technology, and we actually bring it together into motorsport, and that can ultimately mean a competitive advantage for us here at the Nordschleife.
Please visit our website 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.